Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another tutorial whether how you can add post flares on your subreddit. So go to your subreddit and here you can see that there are no post flares available on the sidebar here. Now let's create post flares before creating the first post. So to create post flares, go to look and feel tab under mod tools. And click on post flares. Then click here to create your first post flare. Now name it whatever you want. And you can make it available for mods only, or you can allow users to edit it. Now you can change its color too if you want. Then click on create to create your first post flare. And here you can see that it's been created and you can create more if you want. Well, only creating post flares won't make them available to use. So to use them, you have to enable post flares here. Moreover, if you want to rearrange them, just click here and rearrange them by dragging and dropping. Now, your post flares have been created, but to make them available on the sidebar of your subreddit, click here on Edit Widgets and then Add Widget. Here, select Post Flares and name the widget whatever you want. And then add the created flares by searching and selecting. And then click on Save to create the widget. And here you can see that the post flare widget has just been created. Well, if you want to add more post flares here, you first have to create them here and then add them by going to the sidebar widget here. And if you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to support by hitting the like and subscribe and sharing your thoughts in the comment section, and I hope this will be helpful for someone out there, and thanks for watching.